MLM scams, that is, multi level marketing scams, also called as pyramid schemes or network marketing or referral marketing. Every single person in their life will come across this kind of scheme which says that join a company by paying some amount, say 10,000 or so, and you will get products worth that amount. You will earn commission if you make anyone join the scheme or if your lower hierarchy members make business. This is nothing but multi level marketing schemes. There are many MLM frauds happened in India. Hey everyone, welcome to Frontliners. In this video, let's see the top MLM scams that took place in India with their brief details. Before going to the content, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon. Maybe due to lack of legal framework for MLMs in India, lots of Ponzi schemes have looted gullible people in India. Still, some of them have disguised with different names and business plans from time to time. Here are some top MLM scams that took place in India. First one, Speak Asia scam. A company named Speak Asia, registered in Singapore, was introduced in India in early 2010 by Ram Sumiran Pal and Ram Nevas Pal with the help of Manoj Sharma. The massive fraud made by the Singapore based marketing company encouraged a huge population of investors to enroll in a quick rich scheme and collected about 2,200 crores from 24 lakh people. Investors who wished to invest 11,000 rupees annually were promised about their investment to be recovered within 3 months. Investors received a password for opening an account on the company's website. Two survey forms were shown in each participant's account. By fulfilling these forms, participants were said to receive 4,000 per month and 1,000 was fixed per person for referring the same scheme to others. They were assured for an annual payment of 52,000 rupees. The whole operation and survey was certainly false. Speak Asia used multiple fake schemes and programmed service plan to expand their business for personal profit. Second one, Stock Guru India. In the year 2010, Stock Guru India tempted investors by promising 20% of interest per month on their investment and also refunding the primary investment in 7 months. The mastermind behind this public luring plan was Ulhas Prabhakar and his wife Raksha, are serving their term behind bars. The IT official of Stock Guru Yogendra was arrested as well. The pair presumably tricked around 2 lakh investors from 7 states, soaking investors all investment. This case took another turn when a senior income tax official was removed from the finance ministry after accepting bribes to cover the scam. The counterfeited scam almost collected 500 crores. The administration was able to confiscate 83 crores from the couple's possessions. Third one, Sarada Group scam. A chit fund company who acquired advance payment from investors in the name of lands and houses. The group was also attracting investors with money back preference. According to the report, scam involves the swindling of 2,700 crores. Almost 80% of the total investors lost their money. The group was operating 4 different companies for summoning money through 3 structures that included fixed deposit, recurring deposit, and monthly deposit schemes. Group was also tempting investors with the assurance of property and foreign tours. The chairman of the group, Sudipta Sen, got sentenced to 3 years imprisonment by a Kolkata district court in some other fraud case. Sarada Group leader Kunal Gose and Devani Mukherjee have also been accused and arrested. Fourth one is QNet scam. This is a recent and well-known scam. Many cases had been registered against Vihan Direct Selling Private Limited or QNet and its promoters in different states. The police have also served notices to actors Anil Kapoor, Shah Rukh Khan, Jackie Shroff, Vivek Oberoi, Pooja Hegde, and Allu Sirish for participating in companies' programs. QNet is formerly known as GoldQuest and QuestNet, a Hong Kong based direct selling or multi level marketing company owned by the QI Group. Unlike the old schemes of GoldQuest and QuestNet, this new avatar QNet offers broader range of lifestyle enhancing products, which promise fabulously high returns as new distributors are enrolled rapidly. Its product brochure says, with 8 ways to earn up to 50% of the sales paid out in commissions, QNet offers the most dynamic and innovative compensation plan in direct selling profession. The scam is estimated to be about 30,000 crores, which is very huge, and it happened for multiple times with different plans and different names. Fifth one, Travel Ventures International Scam, TVI scam. A website named TVI Express set up by Tarun Trika, which guaranteed luring offers to its members in exchange of huge cash returns. Like any multi-level marketing, investors had to employ more people to get linked with the scheme. 50,000 rupees was the membership charge, which was assured to be doubled if two persons were added in the chain scheme, and that was not it. 5 lakh rupees was promised for engaging 64 investors at one time. Investors never received any money, and around 1 lakh investors were linked with the scheme through TVI's website. The con master Tarun got arrested, and only 100 crores was discovered to be the scam amount, which doesn't match with the investor's investment calculation. Currently, he is serving sentence along with his few family members. Sixth one, eBay scam. This is the most recent MLM scam that took place in India with very huge number of victims and huge amount of money looted. This is a Noida based marketing company which targeted youngsters, stating that a member joins the scheme by paying 16,821 rupees to become the member and get access to the e-courses worth that amount. After this, the member receives 4% commission if he or she brings other persons to the forum. These people motivate youngsters in a very high intense manner with seminars at high class hotels and in a rich way, such that the customers totally believe the company. The company has got around 17 lakh representatives as its members, and the amount of cheating to the tune of more than 5,000 crores. The firm's managing director Pawan Malhan and his son Hithik Malhan were arrested in this case. There are many other scams that took place in India, and lakhs of people got cheated in these scams. The loss for the people is not only the money, but also they were lost with the relationships, and many people committed suicide with regret or sadness.